This video is to cover the enhancements that have been made to pass reasons and comments within the system. Pass reasons are something that students enter when creating a pass. Some passes require the reason to be entered. Other passes do not. Then one of the new enhancements is that teachers have the option to add comments to a pass. I will show this to you. We're going to set up a pass where the student is going from teacher 1 to teacher 2. This is a pass that requires comments. You can see this by the red asterisk here. Not all passes require the student to enter a reason. This is something that's determined by the administrator when setting up eHall Pass. So the student enters a reason if required, and they click Submit. The teacher will approve the pass and send the student on his or her way. I'm going to minimize this and show you the dashboard of the incoming teacher. Any teacher that is associated with the pass would have these same options. So the sending teacher could also add a comment, and the receiving teacher has options to add comments too. So this is the incoming teacher, teacher number 2, the teacher for that the student is going to. So the teacher, let's say they clicked arrive, the student arrived. But over here in the status column is where the comments can be seen. So they see there's one comment here, and I can click on this and open it up so I can see maybe more of the comment, or I can add a comment of my own. So let's say this teacher wanted to document the student arrived promptly and was courteous. Then they add that comment. Please keep in mind that any comment that a teacher, staff, or admin user adds to a pass is something that a student can see. It is basically a public comment. So back on the student pass, you can see that any comments added are on the student pass. Once again, the student can see them on the pass, but any adult that can see the pass on their dashboard has access to see the comments over here, open them up, and add to those comments. So please keep in mind they're public comments, students see them, and any adult on the pass can add comments. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact your project coordinator.